Now, the most important thing to remember when you're cooking up fresh pig, you got to keep your pigs nice and warm. Personally, I like to wrap up each pig in a little blanket. Keep him warm, toasty, and serve him with some honey and mustard. Here, piggy, piggy, piggy. Here, piggy, piggy, piggy.
Boo-hoo, 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 boo-hoo. What are you crying about? My name is Little Bo Peep, and I've lost my
Pigs.
and I don't know where to find them. Boo-hoo. Oh, if you're looking for pigs, you should look around the corner. I just passed a pig building a house of straw.
Dudes, awesome! Now I've got a nice safe place for me and my cousin to live from the big bad wolf. Awesome! Oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink.
Excuse me. Who are you supposed to be?
I can't talk, I'm a pig. Oink, oink.
You're not a pig.
All right, I'm a wolf. A wolf in pig's clothing.
I need to do my exercise.
That Puppet Guy offers innovative programs for schools, museums, and theaters. Each performance includes professional lighting and sound systems and a unique behind-the-scenes demonstration. For more information, visit puppetguy.com.